of the longevity of the film. It'll last a lot longer on the inside. So people try and install window film on their own and they end up with a lot of bubbles so thick that it's really difficult to install it on the glass. Hello, my name's Katie. I work for Scottish Window Tinting. I'm a senior account manager and I've been with the company for 8 years. Window film actually gets installed on the interior surface of the glass, which most people don't know. And we do it on the interior because of the longevity of the film. It'll last a lot longer on the inside since it doesn't need to endure the weather and rain, snow, heat. Although if we cannot access a window on the inside, we can put exterior film on the exterior. It's just not going to last as long. DIY always sounds like a good idea up front, but most people try and install window film on their own and they end up with a lot of bubbles or uneven edges around the window frame. And that's just because of how difficult the film really is to install. But you don't really think it's difficult because the installers are all really good and they make it look easy. But it's not recommended to DIY your own window film project. The most challenging window film that I believe the installers have ever done is going to be a really thick security film. And that's because the film's so thick that it's really difficult to install it on the glass. You can't cut any edges. It has to be cut perfectly from the beginning on a film handler and then transferred over to the window. Security films are just really particular and thick, and that's what prevents somebody from being able to break in and break through the glass. They're intended to be that way, but it is tricky to install. It's not uncommon for customers who live on a golf course to call a window film company to prevent a golf ball from hitting the glass and breaking it. And unfortunately, window film really doesn't prevent your glass from breaking. It would all depend on how strong the golf ball was hit and at what force it actually hits the glass. But we do not 100% guarantee that a golf ball won't crack someone's glass if film is on the window. The security window film we've seen protect against a couple different objects. Some of those would be big rocks, a hammer, or a baseball bat that people have tried to break through glass with. We can see it through security cameras that a store has or a homeowner. If you have any questions or anything that we might be able to help with, feel free to give us a call at 303-662-8214. And our website is www.scottishwindowtinning.com.